up? Hi, how are you? So, I really love to tell you about my experience working in tea. And honestly, working in a tea factory has made me fall in love with tea. From production, not tea, it looks like it's very easy to be made, but it requires a lot of time, a lot of skills. And the best part that I really enjoyed mostly is tea tasting. That now I have acquired a new skill that I'm able to taste and distinguish the different characteristics of tea. And also in that, I'm also able to distinguish different characteristics in food. I can tell whether this food has been cooked well or not. But let me tell you, I have fallen in love with tea production. Like from orthodox tea to CTC tea, I'm in love. So yeah, I really love to tell you guys more about tea production. I would have really loved to record more of what was happening in the factory, but because of privacy issues, that's not allowed. So I'll be able to share with you guys some of the things that I'm able to share. Yeah, the different types of tea, the purple tea, the CTC, and the orthodox tea. And yeah, we dive into other teas also, like white tea, and now the different peppermint, the flavored tea now. Yeah, and yeah, I'm currently here at tea estate factory, tea estate, and just to see how light and the tea looks. Let me tell you guys, it's amazing. The sun. Sun looks amazing. Looks very nice. Today is a very warm day, and I'm excited. I'm excited to see what this working has. And yeah. Oh my! Just look at the tea. I love how this tea lives in the sun. I'll show you. When the light and the green color of tea meets, it's very beautiful. It makes nature look very nice, and it's very relaxing. It's very relaxing and nice. Yeah, exciting. Yeah, so there's a river just down here. That's where we will be going. Go for some nature therapy. Yeah, the cheapest therapy that we can ever have, that God blessed us with. So yeah, let's go. Yeah, we are almost. I don't know if you can hear the water, the sound of the water. Oh, isn't nature beautiful? Here we are. Oh my. The fresh air. That's wonderful. That's nice, guys. Oh, nature is beautiful. I feel so calm and relaxed. And also the sound of the water is very nice. Here we are. We have some wild bananas. Yeah, this is very beautiful. And the sound of nature, the crickets, the insects. Oh my. I love this. I love this. I love this. It's a good place to just come and sit and journal. Let's go see what is inside here. Okay. More nature, more grass, crickets and grasshoppers. Okay. Yeah, that is amazing. Like nature, finding therapy, being happy and finding yourself in nature is something that I highly advise. It's very beautiful. Yeah.